Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best laundry-free is probably one of the most innovative approaches to cleaning your clothes. Ditching traditional detergents can be a game changer, offering a simpler, eco-friendlier, and often more cost-effective way to handle your laundry. This video dives deep into the world of detergent-free washing, exploring the benefits, methods, and things you should consider before making the switch. Number 5. All Free Clear Mighty Packs Laundry Detergent Packs. This laundry detergent is recommended by dermatologists, allergists, and pediatricians. It's specially designed for sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. It helps remove impurities without leaving irritating residues. This detergent is 100% free of perfumes and dyes. It provides a powerful clean while being gentle on your skin. You can trust it to be unscented and hypoallergenic. It comes in convenient, mess-free single-dose packs. This makes laundry day easier and more efficient. Each pack is pre-measured for your convenience. Use it with all free clear fabric softener and dryer sheets. This combination will give you clean and soft clothes. It also helps reduce static cling in the dryer. It works effectively in all water temperatures and washing machines. This includes high-efficiency models. You get 2 tubs of 66 packs, totaling 132 packs. What we like. This detergent is recommended by dermatologists, allergists, and pediatricians, making it a great choice for sensitive skin. It removes impurities without leaving irritating residues, ensuring your clothes are clean and gentle on your skin. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a detergent that is gentle yet effective, you should consider this. What people say. Laundry detergent free is a great product. It works well. I like the design. Number 4. Zero Trace Fragrance Free Laundry Detergent Sheets. Are you a frequent traveler? These laundry sheets are designed for ultimate convenience. They ensure clean laundry wherever you go, making them perfect for your travels. This unscented detergent combines eco-friendly and organic qualities. It's a chemical-free option, providing a sustainable way to clean your clothes. Use this product as a non-toxic detergent in your washing machine or for hand washing. It's ideal as travel sheets for sink washing, offering versatility. This laundry detergent uses a plant-based formula for a powerful clean. It harnesses the benefits of natural ingredients to effectively clean your clothes. These laundry sheets are perfect for on-the-go use. Its travel size offers the convenience of laundry strips, making it easy to pack and use. What we like. This detergent is designed for travelers, offering a convenient and eco-friendly way to wash clothes on the go. Its plant-based formula provides a robust clean, making it ideal for various washing scenarios. If you are looking for a compact and sustainable laundry solution for travel, you should consider this. What people say. Cleans clothes very well and such a joy to use. They clean our clothes well and the smell is pleasant. Effective, easy to use and travel with and gives the nice subtle aroma after washing, not too offensive to me or others around me. Number 3. Tide Free and Gentle Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing a laundry detergent that delivers a deep clean while being gentle on your skin. It removes more stains than the leading free detergent. You can trust it to get the job done. This product is trusted by experts. It's certified by NEA, EPA Safer Choice, and NPF. You can be confident in its quality and effectiveness. This laundry detergent is hypoallergenic. It's made without irritating residues, perfumes, or dyes. It's designed for sensitive skin, providing a gentle yet effective clean. It's a 3-in-1 laundry solution. It's scent-free, hypoallergenic, and a powerful stain remover. It simplifies your laundry routine with its versatile capabilities. This detergent effectively removes 100% of common stains. It's safe to use on all washable fabrics. It ensures your clothes are thoroughly cleaned. This detergent offers exceptional cleaning in all washing machines and water conditions, even cold water. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. Each bottle provides 64 loads of clean laundry. It's an 84 fluid ounces bottle. It offers great value and long-lasting use. What we like. This detergent provides a deep clean while being gentle on the skin, removing more stains than other free detergents. It is hypoallergenic and free of dyes and perfumes. If you like a detergent that effectively removes stains while being gentle, you should consider this. What people say. Tide-free and clear laundry soap is an excellent choice for anyone with sensitive skin. The quality is top-notch, and it cleans clothes thoroughly, leaving them fresh without any strong scents or dyes. It consistently delivers fresh, clean clothes, no matter how tough the stains are. It has no scent and is gentle enough for my newborn's clothes. Number 2. All-free clear laundry detergent, 88 ounces, 58 loads. This detergent is the #1 recommended brand by dermatologists, allergists, and pediatricians. It's specially formulated for sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. It removes 99% of top everyday and seasonal allergens, including pet dander and pollen. However, it's important to remember that this product is not intended to prevent or treat allergies. This detergent is hypoallergenic and 100% free of perfumes and dyes. This means it is designed to be gentle on your skin, reducing the risk of irritation. It is tough on stains, effectively cleaning your clothes. At the same time, it is gentle on your skin, providing a balance of cleaning power and care. This package contains one 88-ounce bottle of liquid laundry detergent. It provides enough detergent for 58 loads, offering great value and convenience. What we like. This detergent is tough on stains while being gentle on your skin, and it removes common allergens. It is also hypoallergenic and free of perfumes and dyes. If you are looking for a detergent that removes allergens and is gentle on sensitive skin, you should consider this. What people say. After using the detergent, my clothes feel fresh and clean, without any residue. The product does not contain any scent, which is great for my sensitive skin as it does not irritate or cause any reactions. This is the best choice in laundry detergent for your little ones. Number 1. Solimo Free and Clear Laundry Detergent, 110 loads. Introducing Solimo Free and Clear Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's specially formulated for sensitive skin, offering a hypoallergenic clean. This detergent is tough on stains, yet gentle on your clothes. Get more from every bottle. This concentrated formula gives you twice the number of loads compared to standard detergents. It's efficient and economical, providing great value. Whether you have a standard or high-efficiency washing machine, this detergent is safe to use. It works effectively in all types of machines, ensuring a thorough clean every time. This package contains an 82.5-ounce bottle, providing enough detergent for 110 loads. You'll have plenty to keep your laundry fresh and clean for a long time. Running low? Simply ask Alexa to reorder. It's convenient and easy to restock your supply of Solimo liquid laundry detergent through your Alexa device. What we like. This concentrated detergent offers more loads per bottle, making it a cost-effective choice. It is free of perfumes and dyes, ensuring a hypoallergenic clean. If you are looking for a concentrated, hypoallergenic detergent that is compatible with e-machines, you should consider this. What people say. Works as well as name brands for us. It's been effective as a laundry detergent needs to be, and our laundry may not smell like lavender, cotton, or linen, but it is fresh and clean. Believe the description when it says the detergent is concentrated and that you use much less. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.